It is about time I gave an answer to a question I have been asked 100 times. Where is the brand Polestar heading? We brought the Polestar 1 into production and we launched the Polestar 2. Now, for us inside Polestar, we have a clear vision where we are going. The answer is the Polestar Precept. Precept is incarnation of the philosophy of our design, of our idea about how sustainability can become a driving force, a driving energy for our new cars. That is what Precept is all about. Headlights, the eye of a Polestar. Rooted in the genes of our parentage, Thor's hammer is starting point for Polestar's light signature. In the Precept, we take the next step, giving our headlights their own expression, a brand-defining interpretation. Black holes for air intakes and cooling defined the era of combustion engines. That becomes irrelevant for electric cars. So, the face of Precept is defined by the smart zone, where the technology for safety sensoric and piloting assistance is purposefully gathered. That way, the front of Precept does not become anonymous bland. It goes from breathing to seeing. Elegance and grace of aerodynamic efficiency are the avant-garde of the new electric age. Refinement and definition, strength and endurance define the sculpture of this car. It is like the body of a well-trained athlete. The skin of the Polestar Precept radiates power without posing. We work together with specialized partners to cut plastic content and lessen waste material with innovative, natural and recycled materials. We turn natural fibers into lightweight and sustainable interior panels. Now, this natural composite utilizes flax. With Power Rips and Amplitex technologies, these new innovative interior panels are up to 50% lighter, and they reduce the plastic content by 80% compared to traditional ones. It's amazing, lighter and at the same time stronger. We did not try to hide this material and cover it up with the usual deco and surface films. We deliberately expose it and reveal its strengths by showing the Power Rips in a backlight X-ray type of experience. In the Precept, you find flex interior panels in the doors, in the floor, on the dashboard and in the back of all 4 seats. On the seats we introduce 3D knit material, like it is used in fashion and in footwear industry. It's made out of 100% recycled yarn derived from PET bottles, PET bottles. A single thread is used to produce a 3-dimensional individual seat cover. So this is made exactly to size with no cut-offs, which means we completely remove waste in the production. Similar approach with the Precept carpets. They are made out of recycled nylon 6, which we derive from discarded fishnets. The lightweight interior architecture provides ample space in the rear seat compartment. The new Premium leaves the convention of leather, wood and chrome behind. This will be the aesthetics of the electric age. High-tech minimalism that redefines luxury for the sustainable decade. On the driver-dedicated monitor, the driver display, the information and the signals of the Pilot Assist system is now combined with Google Maps data. So, turn-by-turn guidance is embedded into a fully contextualized navigation. A big leap in the safety of a car is the eye tracking system. Main advantage is monitoring of the health status of the driver. Is he tired? Is she watching the road? If not, the car is taking appropriate actions like warning or slowing down. Polestar Precept shows the next size evolution of the screen. It will grow to 15.5 inch. This will enable an individual choice of ratio between two simultaneously running applications. Screen you look at is clean, uncluttered, easy to read. But then when you reach out with your finger, additional information and buttons pop up, big buttons, easy to touch and easy to control. On the more entertaining side is the possibility to enhance your waiting time at the charging station by watching streaming services. I think you get an idea in the Polestar Precept how the integration of hardware and software, the car's seamless interaction with the Android system, allows for the most immersive digital experience in our cars. It's a big step towards the promise that we give to our customers, the promise of a hassle-free life with your car. When we presented last year the Polestar 2, we were the first car brand coming out with a production car that has Android. Now that has incredible potential for the future, and some of it, the glimpse of how great the system will evolve over time, we take here in the Polestar Precept. Example given, the one that I actually like the most is the proximity sensor that we built in there. You see an uncluttered, very easy to read, aesthetical, nice screen. But then when you reach out, buttons pop up, more information comes. Big buttons that are easy to touch even when the car is moving. So this animated proximity sensoric is really a big step into this hassle-free future that we promise with our cars. A big leap for safety in the car is the eye tracking system of the Precept. One of the core benefits is monitoring the driver's health status. Is he tired? Is she watching the road? If not, the car takes appropriate actions as warning or speed reduction. On the driver dedicated monitor in front of you, the information and signals of the Pilot Assist system is now combined with Google Maps data. So the turn-by-turn guidance is embedded into a fully contextualized navigation. Where black holes for air intakes and cooling defined the era of combustion engines, the face of a Polestar is characterized and defined by the smart zone, where technology for safety sensorics and pilot assistance is purposefully gathered. Instead of tradition and pre-industrial craftsmanship, we define the new premium, a premium that left the convention of leather, wood and chrome behind. These will be the aesthetics of the electric age, high-tech minimalism that redefines luxury for the sustainable decade. We have pressing questions that need answers. Clearly, sustainability is not limited to getting to the electric drivetrain. Sustainability means, on a much broader sense, from the very first step of the production of the car to the very end, when you actually take care of what is left of the car in the recycling process, to come to a fully sustainable chain of mobility. It's a new era that has started, and the Polestar Precept is a messenger of what is to come and a reminder that our journey has just begun.